If you took all the money in the world and shared it equally, after a while, some people would still end up richer than others. Robert Kiyosaki often highlights this paradox in the financial world. Robert Kiyosaki is a renowned entrepreneur, educator, and author best known for his best-selling book series, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Kiyosaki has imparted invaluable financial wisdom to millions worldwide. His teachings emphasized the importance of financial education, asset accumulation, and building passive income streams. Kiyosaki advocates for a shift in mindset from traditional employment to entrepreneurship and investment, highlighting the significance of leveraging assets to achieve financial freedom. According to him, many people don't learn how to build wealth because they are stuck in a routine of work, home, and work again, which keeps them in poverty. How can you change this and bring more money into your life? Kiyosaki believes that by following a few simple tips, you can make a big difference. I'll share those tips in today's video. Robert often says that if you don't have a plan to become rich, you have a plan to become poor. Many people who think they are free are actually following routines set by their employers, which benefit the government and business leaders. Kiyosaki believes our brains are conditioned to make others wealthy. In contrast, billionaires think differently, attracting wealth by breaking free from conventional financial habits. Here is some advice from Robert Kiyosaki to help you escape poverty and move towards wealth. Money requires attention. Though it may seem straightforward and cliched, this advice is crucial to avoiding poverty. Reading a few personal finance books will highlight the importance of keeping your expenses below your income. Creating a budget is the best way to achieve this. Noticing how the cost of your daily coffee adds up over a month will help you realize that small, manageable changes to your daily spending can significantly impact your financial situation, just like a pay raise would. Take the proven path. How do you become rich? If you have skills, monetize them. Many people are good at this, but the problem often lies in giving up on self-development or focusing too narrowly. Your brain needs continuous stimulation to grow. Wealthy people are typically multifunctional, with skills and perspectives that often exceed ordinary understanding. Neuropsychological research shows that developing skills in diverse areas keeps your brain flexible and helps you maintain peak mental abilities longer. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to developing a skill, even if it's just something that personally fascinates you and has no immediate use. Trust that one day, you will need it. These mental exercises will benefit you in other areas as well. Forget the words, "the day after tomorrow." If you tend to procrastinate, you're not alone. Many people delay their goals, wondering how to get rich but never taking action. They wait for the perfect circumstances and the right time, but this is a mental trick to avoid change and stay in a comfortable, stable routine. While it's important not to stress yourself out, you need to start today. Make a list of plans, spend at least an hour thinking them through, and honestly eliminate anything that will take more than a year. Focus on actions that depend solely on you and create a calendar. Begin working on your goals today and follow your action plan. These small steps will gradually build up like a snowball. Decide what brings you joy. Money follows joy, but joy never follows money. It's a mistake to think, "I'll get rich now and enjoy life later," which often leads to the realization that money alone doesn't bring happiness. However, if you do what you love and find joy in it, making money becomes much easier. If you constantly complain about life, hate your job, and are in a destructive relationship, you create a cage for yourself, affecting all aspects of your life, including finances. When you enjoy your work and surround yourself with inspiring and supportive people, creating becomes easier without the pressure of, "It's necessary," and "You must." In times of crisis, you'll see opportunities and start thinking creatively. One of Robert Kiyosaki's most frequently repeated personal finance mantras is, "Pay yourself first." Regardless of how much you owe in student loans or credit card debt, and no matter how low your salary may seem, it's crucial to find some amount of money in your budget to set aside each month in an emergency fund. Trust me, this financial cushion will be a lifesaver one day. Having savings for emergencies can keep you out of financial trouble and help you sleep better at night. Make a habit of setting money aside and treat it like a non-negotiable monthly expense. Soon, you'll have more than just emergency savings. You'll have money for retirement, vacations, or even a down payment for a house. While it's easy to deposit funds into a savings account, it earns almost no interest. Don't be afraid to invest that money in a business or look for other financial instruments. Otherwise, inflation will erode the value of your savings. Key money wisdom: poor people always work for money, while rich people make money work for them, is one of the primary quotes of Robert Kiyosaki in his book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. This quote not only distinguishes between wealth and poverty but also emphasizes the importance of freedom. While you may not control store prices, you can manage your impulse to make unnecessary purchases. While you cannot alter global economic conditions, you can always prepare for unforeseen challenges. You possess the ability to transform your life, unhindered by any external forces. Break free from the conventional lifestyle and take proactive steps towards financial prosperity. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.